Hi guys, how have you been? Today's recipe is vegan stir-fried noodles. I know everyone loves noodles. Crispy veggies with tofu and mushroom, all combined in a delicious homemade sauce. It's super yummy. Everyone loves this. So let's get started. Toss together until everything is nicely combined. The noodles are perfectly al dente and the savory seasoning is super yummy. One fine way to make fried noodles. So I hope this recipe will bring me inspiration for you guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you soon. Bye.